The kind of methodology behind the personal loan. The very first regulation involves the process where the presenting or handing over the basic requirement form for the personal loan shall be offered, and this will be sent over by the user to the respective financial loan lending institution. The very next point, which follows after the returning of the required form, involves regulations that revolve around the submitted reports and documents which are to be verified and checked by the authorities who are a part of both institutions as well as the non-banking financial outlets. The last point, that is the most crucial one, is the disbursement of the personal loan, which involves the sanctioning of the personal loan to the applied user, and this is usually communicated via the banking companies sending across a notice to them, which can also be called as the disbursement note or a letter mentioning all the required parameters. You can apply for personal loan through Dial-Up Bank from the link given in the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dial-Up Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.